Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Auntie Chitra is going to be sharing our family's recipe for egg bag. Now, egg bag is a type of curry and it involves a part of the chicken that a lot of us are not used to. This actually contains the fallopian tubes as well as the unborn chicken eggs. Now, this dish really represents Guyanese cooking because a lot of Guyanese cooking is no waste food. Every part of the animal is used and eaten and enjoyed. Now, a lot of you guys have requested this recipe, so I'm delivering today and I hope you enjoy. So the way the Guyanese people coined the term or the name of this dish as egg bag is because the fallopian tubes of the chicken act as like the bag, and of course they contain the eggs, so that's why they call it egg bag. So basically, I'm going to give you an overview of how Auntie Chitra cleans it, and then she'll show you. What you basically do is take the fallopian tubes and you're going to cut them with the scissor. You're just going to slit through them. This way you can clean them really well. Once you slit them, you're going to wash them with either some lime water or vinegar water. Wash them really well to get any gook out of the middle. And basically, she's going to show you guys that you're going to put it in some boiling water. You're going to put it there for a couple of minutes, allow it to start to solidify or start to turn white. And then from there, you can take it out and begin to chop it.
What you want to do is soak it in some water, and this is the clean part. You take the bags, cut them in half so that they can get clean on the inside. Almost like a brownie. You turn it over. But this is big enough to cut it, so that we can clean that inside. I usually just split it, and wash it with lime juice. You boil it a little bit, maybe 10 minutes, and cut into pieces.
Once Auntie Chitra washed those bags or the fallopian tubes of the chicken really well with some lime water, she has some boiling water going on her stove right now, and once she has that water come up to a boil, she's going to add all of these bags in, and she's going to allow them to boil for about 10 minutes just until they get a little hard and they start to turn white.
Once you've washed it and put it into the water, you're just going to make sure all pieces are in the water. And this just boils just for a few minutes, maybe 5, maybe 10, just so it can solidify just a little, so you can so it's easy for cutting. Once this is done, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put this into some clean boiling water as well, just to steam it a little bit, and then you'll see the rest. So this is 10 minutes in here. You see it has the white clumps, the stuff that it's boiled off. We're gonna go ahead and strain this and rinse it off, wash it really clean, cut it up into smaller pieces. So as you can see, I did a quick rinse. Once I cut it up smaller, this is I only want about an inch wide anyways. You don't want it too big. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting these. Give it a quick rinse again after this. Now that it's smaller, it's easier to wash. Had I tried to cut this uncooked, it would have been flopping all over.
Once you guys finish boiling the egg bags, it's time to boil the little eggs that come from the bags. So Auntie Chitra is going to show you how to do that.
I'm going to go ahead and add the egg balls to the hot water. All I needed to solidify it for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull them back out.
So once you finish working on the egg bags and the actual little eggs, you are going to set those aside and you're going to prepare the curry. So in a bowl, Auntie Chitra mixed together some ground garlic, some ground pepper, as well as some curry powder, masala, and ground geera. She mixed those up with a little bit of water to make a paste. She heated up some oil in her pot, and then after she did that, she went ahead and she cooked it. Just like I say whenever I make any type of curry, I like to cook that curry for a good 5 to 6 minutes, or just until it starts to dry up in the pan and the oil begins to separate from it. I like to cook my curry on a medium-high heat. Auntie Chitra does the same. And basically, once you get that curry cooked out really well, it's time to go in with your chopped up egg bags. As you guys can see, Auntie Chitra cut it into about 1-inch pieces. And this is going to act like any other type of meat actually. Once you add it in, it's still going to release a little bit of water. And so you're going to want it to bunje or release its own juices and then allow those juices to dry up. After those juices dry up, you're going to add in the little egg balls. And once you guys add in those little egg balls, it's time to go ahead and mix it up a little bit. At that point, you can add in a bit of salt to taste. And after you do that, you're actually going to cover it with a little bit of water and allow it to cook. Now, the amount of water that you add to your egg bag curry depends on how much gravy you like for your curry to have. So if you want a lot, you add a lot of water. If you don't, then you don't add a lot of water. So Auntie Chitra basically allows us to cook for about another 15 minutes and then it's done. Give it a final taste and serve. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed Auntie Chitra's recipe for this egg bag curry. Now, I know it might not be appetizing to a lot of people, but this is a dish that I really appreciate because again, it is no waste cooking. Every part of the animal gets used. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and leave those awesome comments down below. I'll see you guys again soon.